I know everyone's running away from Windows 11. I've been running away myself for the last year and a half. However, today I decided it was time to upgrade finally, as I guess it's a bit more stable than it was. However, for some reason, I cannot upgrade to Windows 11. I do not have the option to upgrade. So I saw this at the top and I can see I have some policies set, and this might have been me many months ago when it kept asking me to upgrade to Windows 11 and I kept saying no, and for some reason I cannot find a way to revert this. So in this video we're going to try to upgrade to Windows 11. If I fail, I'm stuck on Windows 10 forever. Hopefully we can get this done in this video and maybe do some Windows 11 optimization. So those group policy settings are blocking the upgrade. Here's how to clear. Press Windows R and type gpedit.msc. Hit enter. Okay. So I already have it here. Do this. Navigate to computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows update. Okay. Oh. Administrative templates, Windows component, Windows update, the manager. So set configure automatic updates to not configure. Set configure. I don't even find that. I mean, everything is already set to not configure. I'm not entirely sure where I should go. Let's try the next step. Open command prompt as administrator and run these in order. Okay. And we're going to paste this. And we're going to copy this. And we're going to paste this. Paste this. By the way, I do not recommend copying and pasting random stuff from AI without knowing what they do. However, I do it anyway. Computer policy update has been completed successfully. User policy update has been completed. Then restart your PC. After the restart, gone. Okay. Okay, so I've just restarted my PC and I still have the policies here. And I'm still not getting the update. Open regedit administrator. And check these two keys. I think there was a command. Reg query and okay. Reg query. Okay, so that doesn't work. I'm just going to copy this, paste it into Claude. There's your culprit. AU options is set to 2. Notify only. Delete the whole AU. Okay. I'm just going to copy and paste what Claude is giving me. I'm sure that is very safe. Let's just run the last command as well. Okay. So this should work now. Okay. It looks like it's still not working. Okay. So I have no idea what is going on. However, I do have this application, WinHand, which is meant to do tons of optimizations for your Windows system. And if you go to update, you have Windows update policy. And I had this set to security updates only. And I've just changed it to normal. And it looks like we have it. Well, let's give this a go. Okay, the Windows 11 experience. Here we are. Now, of course, what's the first thing that you do when you get Windows? You debloat it. And this is what we're going to try to do in this part of the video. There's a tool called Windhoek, and this will allow us to add some more features and enrich Windows 11, make it a little bit more interesting. And there's another tool from Chris, which is a massive tech YouTuber, and we're going to use his tool to disable some useless features in Windows. Hopefully make it a bit more responsive. So we need to open a PowerShell and run this command. Hopefully my PC is not hacked. Oh, okay, that was interesting. And here it is. Okay, looks like there's a lot of things in here. Tweaks, config, update. Honestly, I have no idea where to even look first. However, I think tweaks is probably where we want to go. Before I do anything else though, I need to make some changes to this taskbar because it's absolutely horrible. Okay, so just going to make some subtle changes. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is move the taskbar alignment to the left because you absolutely cannot have it in the center. And here we got some more options. I don't think I ever messed with them. Automatically hide the taskbar, show badges on taskbar apps, show flashing on taskbar apps. Yeah, I don't really care about these honestly, so I think I'll just leave them as they are. Unless there's anything else. Oh yes, show smaller taskbar buttons. Oh, that makes them really small. Maybe we'll leave them big for now and We'll see how I feel later on. Okay, going back to Chris tool, there's a lot of options here to mess with, and honestly I have no idea what most of these do. However, if you hover over your mouse over them, they give you a little bit more information about them. So of course I'm just going to enable anything that I think is useful. Please do not copy me, because I might do something stupid and absolutely break my computer. So anyway, after all this, let's just run the tweaks and see what happens. Now, while that's happening in the background, we also have a tool called Windhawk, and this will allow us to make our Windows 11 look really cool. So we got a lot of mods, taskbar stylers, start menu stylers. There's a lot of options to make your windows how you want it. You can even go back to Windows XP. I think I'll just go with the translucent taskbar because it just looks really cool. Let's see. Malicious mods can damage your computer or violate your privacy. Install mods only from trusted authors. Yeah, I definitely trust this guy. So let's just install it. Actually, how do we change it? So open Windows 11 taskbar styler mode, go to the settings tab, select the theme and save the settings. Settings, okay. Theme, translucent taskbar, save. And did anything change? Let's have a look at our tool. I think it's done. I have no idea. There's some config stuff here as well, which again, I would recommend not messing with if you don't know what you're doing. Updates on Windows 11 Creator. Okay. Oh, and oh, shut up 10++ run. Sure, let's see what this is, I guess. Doesn't look like anything is... Oh, okay, here it is. Like there's more settings and options to disable. But let's just have a look at our taskbar. Let's just see what other mods there are. So we got start menu, stylers, notification, taskbar, dock animation. Whoa, that is really cool. That we're definitely going to use that. Accept the risk, no problem. We're accepting the risk. We're even going to give this 5 stars. Animation curve, okay. Look at that. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so these are the settings that I ended up with. Have a look. You can copy mine. I recommend you don't. However, as you can see, there's a lot of options here, and they will take too long to go through most of them. So I hope you got a decent idea of what this tool can do. And if you want to see for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description for you to download this tool. You could probably spend an entire day playing with these options. So this is going to be it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.